Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to refer a friend on Afterpay and get $30 instantly. So open your browser and type in search refer friend on Afterpay. Click on the official Afterpay website link that says refer a friend. And step 2, once the page loads, log into your After account. You will see a unique referral link. Copy that link. Share this with your friends via text, email, or social media. Step 3, when your friends sign up using your link and makes the first purchase, both of you get $13 after pay credit. Win-win. The credit is usually applied automatically. That's it. Refer, share, and earn $13 in a second. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.